guys, how are you? I'm Keri, creator of KeriKit. Beautiful bags that keep you effortlessly organised when you need it most. I'm so excited to show you this bag today. It's the Jones. It is beautiful. We launched it last year in the black and the putty. Putty's now sold out. The black we still have available for this season. It's just a staple piece. It's gorgeous. It's got that little rock chic vibe with the silver hardware, and the quilting reminds me of a bit of a biker jacket, which is what it was inspired from. So small change, only tiny little change has been made between this season and last season, and that is this little triple, can you see that? The 3 credit card holders. We've just moved that into a single pocket, which I'll show you in a second. That's the only change. So if you're getting this bag, you will get it with the triple card holder, and you do not get the zip top. The zip top is new for this season, guys. Adding something extra, giving you something extra. Right, so what I've done today is, this is the 2 bags in the Texas tan that we have got coming in for this season. We've got the light gold hardware, or we've got it with the gunmetal. And what I've done today is I have packed them up, one for being a day out on your own and one as a baby changing bag. So you can see how easy it is to switch between the 2 and become a mum with baby or a mum without baby, and run around doing your daily chores. Now, obviously, looks like a normal handbag on the outside. That is the beauty of KeriKit. We are not a changing bag brand. We are a kit bag brand, which means that you can use this kit for whatever you need to use it for. And it will just make your day feel that little bit more organised, and it will help you save precious time too, I promise. Now, first of all, let's dive inside the one with the light gold hardware. I've just popped the Gretchen strap on here just to show you how you can switch between the straps, and you can have fun adding your own accessories. You can add the warrior, you can add the midi warrior as well. Not sure where that is right now, but I'll need to find it. Here's one in black, just so you can see it for scale. And that just sits on the side like that. So here at the back, you can put your phone if you want to, a lip gloss, quick grab items, and then let's dive inside, shall we? Now, just to mention before we go, there is the little tassel at the front. So you can take this on or off if you want the bag to look more simple, or if you want to add it on for a little bit of zhuzh, then you can do that at your leisure. Diving inside the bag, it's not completely full at the moment. Hopefully you can see inside there okay. Starting from the back, this is the new pocket I was telling you about. So what you can do is you can get your matching poppy, which we urge you to do because it looks so cute with your bag. And that can just stay attached to your Jones. When you're not using it, you can slide it into its new little home, and it will just sit there tucked away neatly, but held securely with the D-ring. There are 2 pen holders which you can use as well, and then on the right hand side there's nothing in that pocket at the moment. I would normally put inside there like hair bubbles, small hand cream, a nail file, because I don't want the nail file to scratch anything else inside my bag, so I always put a little nail file in there as well, and perhaps a little comb. You've got your security pocket at the back here that you can put for your medication, valuables, anything you want to keep really, really safely tucked away. That's the perfect place to put it. I've got the medium packing pouch in here. Now that, just to show you in terms of scale, is a tiny little bit smaller than the zip top bag that you're going to get with this bag. And in there I've got everything: sun cream, hand sanitizer, hand cream, lip seal, multiple masks, that kind of thing. So that's everything I kind of need for myself for a day out. And then at the front here, I've got my iPad. This is the original iPad, so that gives you an idea of scale. I've got a water bottle. That sits really nicely in the elasticated pocket, as you can see. And then on the right side, I've just got some little bits and bobs, toiletries, etc. Another hand sanitizer. In this centre section here, this is the KeriKit notebook, A5. It's just a really pretty lined notebook. You can get those online. But what's more exciting is that you can now put a cover on them, using our Vicky journal cover. Now, if you're using the Vicky, I would probably pop that inside the main part of the bag. That just shows you how much room you've still got there. And then at the very front of the bag, that's a great place to either put your phone, lip gloss, sunglasses. These are quite cool little pockets because they snap closed with the mag closure, as you can see, and they're kind of secret. So if you want to put things away from children, this is a great place to put it. It's a great place to put things like a notebook that you don't need to grab every single moment, but you want to have it in there with a pen, you're ready to go. So that is pretty much everything to show you around the Jones. I've showed you the length of it with the Gretchen, I think. I'll do that one more time. super pretty. And you have also got the option of the brand new two-way strap, guys, which I am loving. Now you can choose between two lengths. I've got the 100 centimetre here. It's a fixed length, just so you know, but you can switch over which side you have at the top just by undoing these little collar studs here. So that is it on the black side, a little bit of a contrast, or you can flip it over super easy, and now you have got it with the tan showing. This is a lovely little D-ring, so you can put little things in there if you want to, hang a charm on there. I love it on a crossbody. I love this bag when it's on a crossbody because it's just really easy to access everything, and it's a really nice height as well. If you're a bit bigger and a bit more curvaceous, bigger busted, you might want to go for the 120 just to give you that extra bit of room. But just so you can see, this is me, I'm a size 10, and this is it on the 100 centimetres. Right, let's swap it over and let's show you now. In fact, I'm just going to take out the water bottle because I might want to show how it fits into the next one. And the next time we've got the bag set up now is the gunmetal option. And this one is all set up for a day out with your baby. As you can see, it's exactly the same bag. We are not a changing bag brand. We are a kit bag brand. What you put in your bag is what your bag becomes. So let's dive inside and see what we have got in here for a day out with our baby. Now, it's not full. There is still quite a lot of room in there, which is great to know. So if you were therefore wanting to put in the water bottle, you could just slide that in there perfectly. This bottle holder is insulated, so if you want to keep your milk bottles cool or warm for longer periods, I'd urge you to keep your water bottle in there. But you could very easily, I've got my wipes in here and my 3 nappies, and I've got my sofa le giraffe. In this section here, I've got a change of clothes and an extra muslin, and as I said, this now comes with it, and it's waterproof, so it's a great place to put a dirty set of clothing. You can just pop them in there, and when you get home, give them a wash, pop it in the washing machine, and it's going to keep your bag nice and protected. So if you wanted to, you could very easily move this into one of the pockets if you wanted to keep it upright and have it like that. And then these items you could pop in this section instead. So at the moment in here, I've just got sunglasses, and at the very front, I have got another muslin, and I've got the non-padded changing mat, which is really, really handy in that size. You can use the fully padded one, but it will fill the bag up, so I tend to leave that for some of the bigger bags. But if you wanted to, you could very easily pop this in that section, pop these wipes down in that section. Everything will still close up nicely, she says. I'd probably put this in that section instead, and then they will. And then you've got room for, you've got everything is still in your bag. You've got a place to put your water bottle, and you can still pack more in it, guys. I mean, how much can you fit? That is a very good question. If you wanted to put your own things in the main part of the bag so that absolutely nobody knows that you've got any baby things in there at all, you've got the option there. You can keep Sophie in if you want to. She's got a little home. She sits quite nicely in the middle there. And you've still got all the baby bits right at the front, and it will still close up nicely. There's a little lip on the magnetic closure, I don't know if you can see that, so that when you bring it down, it's got more security on there to keep it perfectly closed for you, rather than one that just rubs like that. It's got like a little hook, so that will hold it in place a little bit better for you. So I think I'm a bit excited, guys. I didn't breathe. So excited to show you this bag. Hopefully that gives you all the information you need to know. You can make the strap a centimetre shorter or longer by using one of the different eyelets as well. I think that's everything from me. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. This is the Jones with gunmetal. We have it in the light gold, and we have it in the black and silver too.